space, and why it's dangerous. In this video, we'll be talking about why space is dangerous and why some of the conditions that would usually be okay on Earth are not in space. So, the first point that we'd like to bring up is the freezing temperatures. Now, space is essentially a void, meaning that there is no temperature. It is basically absolute zero. The temperature in interstellar space, as I said, is absolute zero, which is about negative 455 Fahrenheit. This is due to the fact that space is a vacuum, and heat energy needs a medium in order to be transferred. But there is no air, there's no liquid, there's no solid in space. Next point that we'd like to bring up is the lack of oxygen. So, on Earth, we normally have oxygen that we breathe, and it pumps out to the rest of our body for purposes, and we need it to live. So, of course, if there was no oxygen, like in space, we probably couldn't live, which is exactly the case.
So, finally, the last set of dangers comes from the lack of pressure in space, which is a result of its being a vacuum. So, on Earth, we have air pressure that is roughly equivalent to the pressure inside your body pushing outwards, so that the total force on your body is equivalent to zero. Nothing really happens to you. In space, however, there is no air around you. As we said, that's because space is a vacuum. Since there's no air pressure on you, your outward force is the only force on your body, meaning you're going to start stretching. And although it might not be very noticeable at first, it will eventually kill you. And this is why spacesuits are important, other than having oxygen in them. The spacesuits have to maintain a very specific air pressure on the inside so that it neither squeezes you too much nor has too little pressure on you. And the next danger is nitrogen bubbles in your blood. Again, this is caused by a lack of pressure. So pretty much nitrogen, which is normally dissolved in your blood, forms air bubbles when the pressure is released. This can disturb blood flow, it causes congestion or swelling, and it makes it much harder for red blood cells to flow, which, if you don't know, red blood cells are the cells that carry oxygen throughout your body. This has many symptoms. It will eventually kill you, as the nitrogen bubbles can form in any blood vessel anywhere across your body.
Thank you for watching. More uploads are coming soon. Make sure to like if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you later. Bye.